Hey guys, I am actually on my way to get a COVID test. I finally am getting it. I've been a big chicken about it. I've been very scared. I don't know side effects. I don't know, but in my line of job, I just feel that I need it. I want to protect my family. I want to protect myself. So I'm doing it. Okay guys, I am getting my COVID test. COVID shot. Ooh, I'm nervous. Look at that. Oh my god. Hey guys. So I'm going to do what we did this weekend. No, I am going to do a video on a day in my life of springtime coming soon and getting ready to garden. We're in Home Depot. Hubby is loading up the van. And got some stuff to garden. I'm so excited. Every year I get more excited for gardening and learning better tricks from last year. So yeah, I'll show you when I get home what we do. Okay, so I totally forgot that I wanted to vlog what I was doing today, and I totally screwed that up. I got in the zone, my husband helped me, and my bad. But let me show you what we ended up doing. So this is probably my third season that I try gardening. I don't have a huge backyard, so I kind of have to improvise and, you know, do some plants in pots. And my husband built me a little gardening box, and so that was last year. And now this year I'm doing it a little bit different. So let me show you what I've done. So this is my garden box that my husband built me. Last year I put almost all my plants in here, my gardening stuff, and it totally, I mean, it still worked, but everything was so cramped up. So this year I am just doing cucumbers in this. So he just built this support bar for me right there. And I got two little cucumbers here. These things grow so tall, so I am just leaving it there. We got to this trellis here, which I still need to buy supports for, but yeah, I can't wait to see these babies grow. Then over here, I got some basil and cilantro, which is my favorite. I love basil. And then this year, instead of putting everything in there, we just bought a whole bunch of pots and started planting them in here. So I got a little jalapeno over here. I got a sweet banana hybrid pepper over here, which I can't wait till those grow. And I will pickle these. Over here I have bell pepper, and I put these support bars because last year everything was falling over, and I'm finally learning. Each year I learn more. So these here I'm still debating. Y'all tell me what to do. It says that I do not need to transfer these tomatoes, and I kind of just want to leave them as is since they're already pretty much grown. I just bought them like this. So I'm thinking I'm going to leave them in this pot. But these are Bush Early Girl hybrid tomatoes. I got two of these. One over here. Hey Brian, where are you going? Where are you going, Brian? Uh-huh. And then here I got some chocolate cherry tomatoes. And then this is Sweet Million cherry tomatoes as well. And yeah, I'm excited. I got like 4 tomato plants, some peppers, my cucumbers. So this is my little setup on my deck. I'm very excited for this season. Hopefully this works out better than it did last year. Babe, thanks for your help.
Ooh, my hair.
So yeah, I'm excited. I have really gotten into gardening, but I just wish I had my own I do have my own backyard, but I don't have a huge backyard. And because of the deck, it takes up all the sun from underneath. So I just feel like the deck gives me the most sun for my plants. So that is what it is. But anyways, look at that, guys. My makeup has held up so well. Look at that waterline. That is ColourPop eyeliner. And my husband gave me a compliment, which he never does on my makeup, so you know it's good. Anyway, so we're gonna head over to my brother's house right now. We're gonna do a bonfire, do some s'mores. Tomorrow is Easter, so I will vlog all the activities for tomorrow. We're just gonna have an Easter egg hunt at my brother's. So yeah, let's see you at the bonfire. So, hi Brian. Okay, I'm at my brother's house. We are turning on this fire because it is cold.
I know you're not talking. Look at it.
Oh!
What up, what up?
Gonna have some s'mores.
Gabby.
Hi! Hi, Nene. Brian, that's Hugo. Woo!
No, he wouldn't go that fast.
Who is that?
I don't know.
Jeez, Dennis.
Now it looks more and more like a dad every day. Yeah, you just need the New Balances. Oh my god.
Skechers, bro.
No, the New Balance is the dad
The
shoes,
white
bro.
ones?
No le vas a dar ahí porque está de esquina. ¿Viste?
Be.
But don't ruin our lawn.
Ay.
You're what?
Our freaking backyard.
I'm irrigating it.
No, we're ruining it.
Excuse me. Okay, let's get this fire going.
It's gonna end up
And we'll come
flying
back.
and hitting him in the head.
Wow, Natalie. Very nice.
It's cold.
I know.
Which we hurt.
So, let's get this fire going. We will have some s'mores. And just have a chill night. Talk to you soon. Hey guys, I'm back. With a Tupperware of a shot here.
Tupperware of a shot.
What is it?
A shot in a Tupperware.
A shot in a Tupperware. I've had one shot. This is Patron.
Está como ayer que dijo, I'm here getting the COVID test.
Oh yeah. I said I was getting the COVID test and I'm like, wait, it's the COVID vaccine. You can salute yourself, man. I'm not doing this one. Okay.
Enjoy this view, guys.
Okay.
Oh wait, I gotta record this.
30.
Está Karen. Look at her face.
Look, the Apola doesn't even make a face. That's because the Apola.
I
You
gave.
got a very ugly drinking face.
Yeah, she does. Yeah.
Very ugly.
Look at that. Zoom in.
Stop, Alex. I hope my mom doesn't watch this vlog.
I think we got one.
Can't you edit it?
It's gonna go in the vlog.
She wants it
That
in there.
face? I wouldn't put that.
Just drop it like that.
I wouldn't put that hurt. Hello, hello everyone. Happy Easter. Today is Easter. He has risen. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings that you have brought us. 2020 was very rough. 2021 is getting better. And I just hope that everyone has a blessed and wonderful Easter. So we are in my brother's house having a cookout. We got the kids a moon bounce. Jordy! Jordy! Go jump! I want to see you jump! I got Luna in there. She is so excited. Jaslyn. Now you can jump. There you go, Jordy. Jump! 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 I'm gonna get my butt in there too.
Really?
Yep, I will.
Mom, can you fall through this hole?
Probably not. Where'd they go? You bring her down? Luna, bang!
Mommy, watch! Mommy, watch! Luna, go, baby!
Push. Really, Brianna? Bring Luna down.
I am still a kid. Ready? Look at her smile.
Yeah! Oh, that's funny. She does. She loves the freaking slides. Yeah, don't let her get on the ground, please. Go, Jay. Go, Jay. Go, Jay.
Jasmine's going my way. Go, go, go!
Oh my gosh. Okay, so I haven't been vlogging much. Just been having a lot of fun. This is my family. Just chilling. I've eaten so much food, it's not even funny. The diet went to shit. Anyways. My God. So that's my mom, Luna, and Bree. Go, do it again. I was in there, man. I can't. Mom. Oh my God. And she's laughing. She's laughing.
Okay.
Okay, I think she's done. Oh, look at her. She has her eyes closed. Cierra los ojos, Luna.
Wait, she knows I do that?
What?
Luna!
We're on the trampoline. Come on. Bree. No, Luna, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Mira. Oh, 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 oh. Luna, help me. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm dying. I'm dying.
Cuando brinco así me quedo en el aire. Así como que los pies no topan ahí.
Porque te quedas, es que you fly, mom. You're so Oh my gosh. Luna.
Papi, come here.
¿Dónde está papi?
Otra vez.
Que no se venga Junior, porque Junior sí.
No, if Junior comes, I'm out.
Papi. Come here.
Ah!